Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to What's New in Turbo360. In today's episode, we'll have a look at all the new features Turbo360 has rolled out for this month. Let's dive right in and get started. First up, we've introduced real-time status indication in the UI based on incident resolutions across the entire application. Previously, when an alert incident was closed, the resource status remained unchanged in the UI until the next monitoring cycle, even if the issue was taken care of. So when your application's resources are in unhealthy state, you can find the issues in the incident sections of the portal where the issues will be highlighted. By resolving the incidents, all associated resources are restored to healthy state and marked with Issue Acknowledged tag. Moving on to the Cost Analyzer module, we have brought in few exciting features in the optimization section to help you slash your Azure cost. Many users have complained that SQL eats most of their Azure budget, and to address it, we have enabled optimization recommendations for SQL databases. For example, if you have an extensively used SQL database in the hyperscale tier with 2 week cores, Turbo360 will suggest you opt between 1 or 3 year reservation for 2 week cores, which will result in 40 to 50% savings. Is it frustrating to see your SQL managed instances driving up your Azure costs? Turbo360 now tackles this problem by providing support for managed instances through optimization schedules and rightsizing. You can associate managed instances to your optimization schedules, allowing you to start, stop, or resize instances during peak and off-peak hours. By doing so, you can see the potential Azure savings. Select the resize option to resize an instance to a lower tier to optimize its costs. Configure the service tier, select the compute hardware, and adjust the week cores and storage size, after which you'll get to see the estimated costs. Once the schedule runs, you'll be pleased to see significant savings on your Azure costs. And in the rightsizing section, you'll find recommendations for upgrading or downgrading your managed instances by considering your current tier. Clicking on a specific instance shows both the current SKU and the recommended SKU. From here, you can apply the recommended SKU or select from a list of supported SKUs to optimize your costs. The latest enhancement to the Cost Analyzer module includes an upgrade to VM rightsizing, providing more accurate recommendations by excluding the unsupported sizes. You'll now be able to receive more accurate suggestions for optimizing both your virtual machines and virtual machine scale sets, making it easier for you to choose the right size without any hassle. And the next feature is the ticket creation flow from rightsizing recommendations. Imagine a situation where all the management operations are handled through in-house solutions. To ensure that the optimization recommendations are addressed, we are now allowing users to stay informed about the optimization actions by triggering notifications like a ServiceNow ticket or a Slack message, and through other notification channels as well. Here's how it works. In the rightsizing section, select the resource for which you want to create a ticket and choose the trigger notification option. You can then set up the channels and emails for which you would like to receive the recommendation reports. Plus, you can view the logs of all triggered notifications right here. And this is how it looks. And now, let's move on to the Business Application module. Tired of dealing with expired SAML certificates needed for SSO and not receiving prior notifications? Turbo360 addresses this problem by providing support for monitoring SAML certificates, tracking them based on their expiration dates. After associating your enterprise applications within the BA module, you can easily monitor the certificate by clicking on the monitoring section. Here's an example of an alert you might see. Next up, in the Business Application module, Turbo360 previously offered monitoring for client secret expirations within the app registrations, helping users to receive timely notifications for expiring client secrets. But now, we have expanded this functionality to include certificates as well. To use this feature, associate your app registration with a business application and set up monitoring. Here's an example of what the alert looks like. And this concludes the overview of this month's feature updates. I hope you found it helpful. This is Shrutvika from Turbo360 signing off for now. See you all with another set of exciting features next month. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Turbo360 for more updates.